How to save locations on Google Map. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily save different locations on Google Maps. So in order to save different locations, you first have to find the place. Once you found the place, tap on the place and you'll have an option to save it. So scroll to the side, you'll see its information and you can just tap on the save option. Now, there are a lot of things that you can do here. So, there are pre-made lists like your favorites, want to go, travel plans, and start places, but you can create a new list for you as well. So, you could just do a park like this, or I could just do a simple trip. Then tap on done. And if you want to share this with your friends, tap on shared and then click on create. It's going to give you a link which you can share with your friends and you should be able to share it with them. So I can just go ahead and copy to clipboard, and then I can go back, go to WhatsApp or wherever you have your, wherever you want to share it, tap on it, share the link, and they will be able to view it as well. Now, in order to find your saved places, you will be on the Explore tab over here. You just want to head over to U section, and then you'll see all of your saved places. I've previously created two saves as well, like parks over here, and I'm able to view them as well. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.